Hello, my name is Diego Colon. I'm the IT support specialist, master instructor. One of the big things that really piqued my interest when I came in here, they're not only concerned on just making sure that you pass an exam, they want to make sure you're prepared for a career. It encompasses everything that has to do with IT fundamentals, and it also encompasses everything that has to do with the 1001 A plus certification and the 1002. You get a full view not only of the basics, which is the IT fundamentals, you also get the more advanced, which is the A plus, the 1001 encompasses all of the hardware, ensuring you understand all the type of troubleshooting with hardware. And then 1002 would encompass all of the software and how to troubleshoot with the software. You will be able to do the day-to-day work, be dealing with PowerShell or even Linux machines themselves, learning how to deal with Bash. With the current curriculum that we have using TestOut, it is a great tool. It's a tool where not only instructs them and gives them video, gives them documentation, it gives them labs with real life scenarios. For instance, act like if you have a ticket open in the help desk and says that Joe Schmo's printer in this office is broken. So you could virtually go to this office and log on or touch the printer, disconnect the cables, unplug it, plug it back in, do everything that you could do as in the real world. This software successfully encompasses that, and it also prepares them for real life. Before some of them find or believe that computers could be very overwhelming. Some of them don't even know how to use a browser. Some of them is again just self-inflicted barriers where they believe they can't do it, although they may be tech savvy. It's just the intimidation factor, I would say. They feel very intimidated, and being able to see them smile and feel comfortable and say that aha moment of understanding